What's up my friends, welcome back. This will be a very short video. I have a new announcement on electronovs.io. Right now I finished the code for the contest and I have here a test as you can see. I'm pretty sure that it works okay, but the best way to test it is to test it with you guys, and in this way you will also be able to win a soldering station. This is the prize for this contest. So as you can see, this one is finished because this was the test, but here we have the homemade PCB contest, and if you click it you will be able to read this guideline and you can enter this contest and see here the prize. So let's go with the beginning because I will show you how to enter this contest. First of all, I'll exit this page. You will need an account on electronovs.io, but don't worry, that is very easy to make. Just go here on the login page and you will click sign up. If you don't have an account, if you already have one, just log in and then enter the contest, but wait for that. But let's go with the beginning. In case that you don't have an account, just click the sign up button and here you will enter your username. It could be anything that you want, but it can be a name that is already on electronovs.io. So if the name is already used, you'll have to select a different one. That's basic. Enter your email and create a password, repeat that password, and of course accept the terms. Once you click get started, you will receive an email, and make sure that you also check the spam folder because maybe that email it will be in the spam folder, so you'll have to activate your account. So click that link and the account will be activated, and then you can come back here and log in. So once you have the account activated, you click the login button, you enter with your username and your password and click login. Okay, so now we are logged in. As you can see here I have my profile picture, and now you could enter the contest. But first, if you want, you can tweak a little bit your profile, because when you first make your profile you won't have a profile picture or your name here, and you will have that automatically given by default. So if you want to change that, just click here, account settings, and as you can see you can change the password if you want, or you can go to profile settings and change your picture, your name, tell us a little bit about yourself, and also your address if you want. You don't have to place your address here. Even if you win this contest, I will send you an email and you will send me back your address, so you don't have to fill it that here. But if you want, fill it. I'm the only one who can see this. It won't be shared anywhere, but you're not obligated to fill that if you don't want. But at least a profile picture and your first name in order to have a cooler, better look profile. Okay, so now that you have a profile on electronovs.io, you go here and click the contest button. And as you can see, this one is finished because this was a test, and this is the contest that I'm talking about right now. So click this here. As you can see, it will be finished in around 20 days. Maybe I will change this by the time that I will post this video, because I'm not sure if I will post it this weekend or the next. But anyway, the contest will be for 20 days. So you enter this contest, and the first thing that you have to read is this guideline here. As you can see, in order to win this, all you have to do to win this contest is to post one of your projects that is using a homemade PCB. It could be an etch PCB like this one here, which is etched with acid, or it could be a prototyping drill PCB like those very small PCBs with holes, or any type of PCBs that are homemade. So post that project, and then you will have to wait for me to activate that project, and then here in the list it will appear that project, so you can select it and enter the contest. As you can see right here, this is one of the projects that I posted in the last 60 days, because for this contest you can enter only with projects that were posted in the last 60 days, because otherwise if you posted a project like 3 years back, it doesn't have any sense to enter with that right now. So once you will post that project and it will be active, it will appear here and you will be able to enter that in this contest. And then all you have to do is it will be here filled with entries, and you have to click this page for vote now. And this page, as you can see right now, there are no entries, so there is no project here. But once the people will start entering, the projects will appear here. So you have to share this page with your friends and tell them to give a like to your project, because the project that most likes have will win the contest. And of course I will be monitoring that project in order to see that it will follow the guideline, because if it's a project that is not related to this PCB and the guideline here on the main page, it won't be a winner and I will select the next one. So I hope that you all understand it. First you post a project, which I'll show you in a moment how to post a project. Then you come here when the project is active, you come here and you submit this contest with that project from the list. You can see here the price if you want, is this soldering station, and I wish you good luck. Maybe you will be the one who win this, because a lot of you guys need this for their projects. And you can also see the official rules, but these are just a bunch of text, but make sure that you read it. And then once you enter, you will have your entry here. You also have a small guide how to post a project and how to enter the contest, how to get the votes and the judging. And finally, if you are the winner, well, you will receive a mail and you will be the winner. Okay guys, so let's say that you don't have a project for this contest. As you can see here, my last project was related with the 3D printed tank, which has nothing to do with this contest. So let's post a contest with a PCB. So you go here in the how to enter page, and as you can see, you don't have a project yet. Well, post one now. You click that button and this will take you to the form for posting a new project. To post a new project, what you have to do is to give a title, a description, some photos. Then you fill the gallery, which will have up to 4 photos. So let's just give a title. In this case, it will be Homemade ESC. This is the Homemade ESC, because this will be a project that I've made in the past and I want to post that here as a project. Remember that the project is not the same as a tutorial, because a tutorial is the step-by-step how you made that project. In this case, it's just a gallery with photos and a description about that project in order to show us your work. So let's add a description. I have here a description that I copy and paste. Remember this is an editor, so if you want you can bold the text if you want. You can add the links. As you can see here, this is an external link with this button. You can place here a link and so on. So now the description is made and now you have to select this thumbnail. Remember, this thumbnail is this photo that will appear on the first page of each project. So let's select the thumbnail. For example, I will place this one. Select the category. In this case is electronics. And this will be a basic circuit. Let's add some tags. ESC, homemade, maybe speed controller, and brushless, for example. Then you can select if your project is finished, is still in progress, if it's a prototype or a new version. In this case, this is a very old project, so in this case it will be finished. And also you can paste an external link, which I will copy and paste. This case is a blog that I posted on my other website on electronobs.com a few years back. And then you can add a description for the gallery. So you will describe all the photos or videos that you enter here. So first, let me get this text here. For example, I place a description like this one. It could be anything that you want. And then let's just add, first we will start with a YouTube video. So you click the YouTube video, then you go to your video. You copy and paste that link, you paste it here, then let's add some photos. For example, let's add this one. You can describe your photo if you want, ESC signal. Let's add another photo, select the file, this one. And finally, let's add another photo. It will be this one. And now we'll send it for approval. Remember that it will take from 1 to 10 hours, and that's because I personally have to watch each project and tutorial to approve it, because at the beginning I had a lot of spam on my website. So in this way it will be a lot better, but if I'm sleeping, the first thing in the morning I will approve your project. So that's why it will take up to 10 hours. But anyway, we send it for approval. Okay, so here will be the project, but as you can see, if I go to the main site on the index of the page on the wall, it won't appear here because for now it's not active. But now, since I'm an admin, let me just activate that project and then you will see that it will appear here. And also if I go back into the contest page and refresh, as you can see, the project doesn't appear here. So let me just activate that project and then it will appear here. So here's the project, I will activate it. Okay, now the project is active, and if I refresh this home page, as you can see, now the project will appear here and people could see it. And also if I go back to the contest page and refresh, now I have this project as an option to enter this contest. So select this and all you have to do is to click submit, and you will see that it will be here a new entry with your name. So click submit. As you can see, the first entry is Electronoobs. And now you have submitted your project and your project name was Homemade ESC. And all you have to do is to go to Vote Now page, copy this link, share it with your friends and tell them to give a vote to your project. The one that most votes will have, I will review that, and if it follows the guidelines, you will win this contest, you will give me a mail and I will send you the soldering station. So guys, I hope that you understand this. It's very easy to enter this contest. So please post your best project related to a PCB, and I wish you good luck and I hope that you will win this contest. Share these pages with your friends to get more views, and in that way you will have more chances to win this contest. I hope that you will like it and see you in the next video. Keep up, you guys.